Now for us and what we're watching here in the First Alert Weather Center. Well, we're looking at warm temperatures and dry conditions and a little bit of some fire danger in some areas, and there could be a few isolated thunderstorms in the mountains this afternoon, and then we'll talk about better chances for rain coming our way. But right now, 85 in Denver, 81 in Boulder, upper 80s for the eastern plains right now, 68 in Frisco, 76 right now in Avon, 84 in Grand Junction. Again, it's so nice outside, and so far this year we've had 55 days in the 90s, including yesterday. We're expecting to make this 56 today. Usually we get about 46 in the last 30-year average, and then last year we had 39, so we're well above that. The record is 75. We're not near that, and if you remember 2020, it was a hot scorcher. So today we're expecting to add a day 56. Fit 91 in Denver, 89 in Boulder, 91 in Fort Collins, upper 80s out on the eastern plains, high country, lots of mid to upper 70s, 81 though in Steamboat, and then upper 80s, low 90s on the western side of the state. Across the Front Range, 90 in Aurora, 88 in Centennial and Broomfield today, 92 in Brighton and Hudson, also here in downtown Denver, with 87 in Golden and 91 in Longmont and Loveland. As we zoom on into Arapahoe County, 88 in Centennial and 90 in Cherry Hills Village. And as we zoom on into Arapahoe Acres, your neighborhood, 90 degrees, mostly sunny and dry. And it is dry in many areas and windy as well. So out on the eastern plains and then the far edges of Adams and Arapahoe counties, we do have some stronger winds. So pretty gusty out on the eastern plains. We do have one area that does have a red flag warning. It is the eastern side of Arapahoe and Adams County. This is in place through 8 o'clock tonight because it is gusty and very dry out there. So the fire danger is not super widespread. Even if you're not under this red flag warning and you live out in the eastern plains, just be very weather aware today with the wind and of course the dry conditions. We're not expecting any thunderstorms out there, so that's some good news, so we don't have to worry about lightning. Satellite and radar is quiet, except for we're starting to see a few little showers pop up in those northern mountain areas. And our future cast for tonight, again, we will see the chance of just a couple quick thunderstorms in the high country, rain, not expecting much, maybe a few clouds build here in Denver. That clears overnight. Tuesday morning we wake up to sunshine. It's another beautiful day, but you have to go back to work if you work on Tuesdays. And then we're looking at a few scattered thunderstorms, mainly in the northern mountains and northwestern Colorado, where the Front Range eastern plains, we just stay on the dry side. And looking at our super 7-day forecast, we start to cool off on Wednesday to 85. Now 85 is our normal for this time of year, so that puts us where we should be. So it's actually going to be a nice day in terms of temperature, upper 80s, low 90s out east, lots of low 70s in the high country. Good chance of rain coming our way on Wednesday, and then on Thursday we see the storm chances go down a bit, but we're cooler, 79 degrees. That's going to feel nice. Then we bounce right back up to our normal temperature on Friday with 84, and then we spend the weekend in the upper to mid 80s with isolated chances for thunderstorms. So we have a couple more hot days, Michelle, and then after that we start to cool on off.
Sounds good. All right, Lauren, thank you.